Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice cream shelf in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice cream shelf. The ice cream shelf is located at the top of the freezer compartment, covering the ice maker and the ice container. The main reason to replace the ice cream shelf is if it's broken or simply missing. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. Simply grab the ice cream shelf and pull it straight out. This is the old ice cream shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, let's bring the new ice cream shelf and we're going to install it. We have guides on both sides that goes over the rails on the sides here. And now we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.